Hello. In this 1.20.1 Minecraft modpack development video, we're going to be using KubeJS to remove structures from world generation from certain biomes. If you find this sort of content informative, please give this video a like, comment with any questions or future video ideas, and subscribe to the channel with notifications on to make sure that you never miss a future upload. In addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. They offer fantastic Minecraft server hosting for many games, especially Minecraft, with plenty of great benefits. So please feel free to check out my affiliate link in the description below. That'll bring you to this website that I got the screenshot from. There's plenty of great information there that can help inform possible purchase that aligns with your needs and budget. So again, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. But now let's get into the code. So this is going to be using the server events.tags event listener. So these always take in point of interest and the handler. So our point of interest here is worldgen slash biome, and then we're going to pass in our event listener. In addition, make sure you have this in your server scripts folder because it's a server event. But here we're going to be using the event.remove function. So this takes in two arguments. First is a tag, and then second is the biome. So for the first example, I'm going to be removing strongholds and preventing them from generating in forest biomes. So we can do this by passing in first our Minecraft has structure slash stronghold, and then our second argument is the tag. So I'm going to do Minecraft is forest. Another example is completely removing a structure. So for example, the swamp hut. If we want to get rid of that, all we can do is event.remove, pass in Minecraft has structure swamp hut, and since that's the only since the swamp biome is the only biome that generates in, we can just do Minecraft swamp. So these are two basic examples on how to remove specific structures from specific biomes. If you found this tutorial informative, please give this video a like, comment with questions or future video ideas, and subscribe to the channel with notifications on to never miss a future upload. In addition, thank you to BisectHosting for supporting my channel. Otherwise, thank you for your time watching this video, and have a great day.